This is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Vienna, Virginia that has a roof leak, and they've had this leak now for a while, and they've had different contractors seal here and there, and the leak is still persisting. Now, one thing I noticed right away is how the bricks are starting to flake apart, so some of these bricks would have to be replaced, but this is not attributing to the leak. Now, one thing is, when the contractor did the roofing, he put nails into the flashing right there, and there should be no nails exposed whatsoever. The nail holding this flashing here should be underneath this piece here. So this piece of flashing would be overlapping the nails. So in other words, if I was to lift up all of these shingles, I would not see any nails exposed if the roof was done correctly. So what we need to do is remove all the roof material next to the chimney. We're going to replace the counter and step flashing, and then we're going to re-shingle this area. Now, when I was walking over here, I can feel the wood soft. So the leak is also originating from this ridge vent, and I'll show you why. See, it's coming up. So if there's a driving rain, the water will get underneath there, and then the nails are right over here, right next to the edge, and the water will seep right through the side of the nail hole, travel underneath the shingle, and then wherever the water finds an opening, like a tear in the felt, that's where the water will settle. So it's settling here because the plywood is rotten, but then it's also settling down here. Now also they have another leak down below, and let me show you what's going on there. This one's a little bit trickier. Now, the gable vent is also attributing to the leak. You can see you got a piece of flashing here, and then this flashing is underneath this one. So this one is overlapping. So the water will get in between these two pieces of flashing, leak behind the J channel, travel down the wall, and then again, the water will settle down at the chimney. So what we can do here is we can either change this piece of flashing, so this one is underneath this one, or we can just seal right across the top with polyurethane. And either way we do it, we'll stop this source of the leak. Now also, I checked the vinyl siding to make sure that they're overlapped sufficiently. And this one's overlapped by about an inch and a half, and these over here are good as well. But again, that water's traveling down, traveling underneath the shingles, and it's settling at the chimney. But also the shingles are very tight here at the valley, so it could be that they nailed too close to the valley center line, or it's very likely that's what it is. So we need to remove all the roof material here and completely around the chimney, and then we're going to replace the counter flashing, step flashing, and re-shingle it. So with this leak, we have to hit it from every angle, because if we don't, this leak will come back. Also, they should get a chimney person for the mortar here, because the water can get inside here, and it's also cracked there, and then again the water will settle down at the chimney. So we can guarantee the roof will not leak, but if the leak came back again, then they would have to hire a chimney person to do some tuck pointing. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.